and welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually at Bert's Barracuda Harley Davidson. I'm gonna make a little video, walk around the showroom, and just kind of check out what they got going on here. I've heard that Bert's is really well stocked for Harleys, so let's just go inside. Check it out, I'm getting ready for Halloween on the Sporty. A mechanic special. We got everything here. What the heck is this? Actually never seen that. Never seen one of those. There's one full showroom. I spent a little bit of time in here last time I was in Tampa, but not really a lot of time. I just kind of walked around and walked out. I don't really do the new bike thing that much, but I've heard that Bert's is really hospitable and that they're just a good shop to deal with. So may as well come and check them out. They have like a ton of bikes in here too. A bunch of breakouts. Street Bob. Or standard, I guess, is what those ones are. I gotta check out the old stuff. 1929 Ford Model A pickup. In like beautiful shape. Cool bike. Is this like actually old?
How are you today?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm John.
Angel.
I'm the general manager. You want a videotape? I can show you my paint shop.
Yeah, I'd love a tour. Can I get the grand tour?
The grand tour. Mm-hmm. And over here, that door right there, that door opens up automatically for service customers. So these bikes are ready to go in for service right here. So back here, you got the service department. A lot of activity going on back here. We've had a lot of sadness recently because of the floods. Oh. We've lost a lot of bikes here locally because of the floods.
Oh yeah.
And I'll show you where we're keeping those bikes.
Okay.
So all those folks that are dealing with that loss, and we help navigate that for them through the insurance companies and so forth. So back here, you got these bikes, they're all completed. They're ready to go back to their owners.
This is all just normal work?
Yeah,
okay.
service work.
Yeah, normal service.
This isn't the flood bikes.
Okay.
And over here we have a dyno room, so you can dyno tune the bikes.
Sweet. Dyno tuning.
Yep.
Not a lot of
Dyno
shops
tuning.
do that.
We sell a lot of bikes, that's why there's a lot of bikes back here.
Yeah.
We have a wash bay over here.
I worked in the wash bay at my Harley dealership.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, it's a fun job.
Hard work. Important, very important.
Do you do much with the Forgotten Angels?
Yeah, with David Tyler. He was in here a couple days ago, and he had a bike. I guess someone just won a motorcycle recently, and we put the tires on for them as well.
Yeah, that's good.
So yeah, Dave's a good friend of mine.
Yeah.
So back here, I'm going to show you where these flood bikes are.
Okay.
And this is disheartening, but I do want to share it with you because a lot of people, a lot of anguish for our, local citizens.
Yeah. I couldn't imagine losing my bikes.
We've probably had about 20 removed already from the insurance companies at least. As you can see, all these bikes right here are flood damaged bikes. Pretty sad.
So these were all caught underwater, and did you guys, were they tow companies bring them into you guys, or do you guys go rescue them?
We went and picked them up. We took phone calls from the customers. We brought them in here, but once the water gets up in here by the starter, you can see it right here. It's over. The electrical system it's over.
Yeah.
But that's what happens when that water gets in there, that salt water. And this one in particular, look how high this got.
Oh man.
And this is a CVO, Streetlight CVO.
Yeah, it's a brand new bike.
Yeah, it's a brand new bike. It's a travesty. They're all a travesty.
Yeah.
Look at them. Look over here.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and I know a lot of these folks. Yeah, it's heartbreaking.
Is this mostly from like the Clearwater area that this is mostly from? Because I heard that was hit pretty bad.
Yeah, mostly from the Clearwater area, St. Pete. It's terrible. a lot of the customers, they're not familiar with the process dealing with the insurance companies.
Yeah.
So we help navigate that, and we help them get, you know, what's fair to them. I mean, I do this every day.
Yeah, so you know what all these bikes are worth.
Yeah,
and
know
you
what they're worth and what can be saved, what can't be saved.
Yeah.
And advise them to save it or advise them not to save it, you know?
Yeah, well,
So,
that makes
through
such
experience.
a difference. Yeah.
But yeah, anything we could do to help the community, definitely get that word out.
Yeah.
On a happier note, I'm going to show you my paint shop.
Okay, yeah.
Come on. This bike right here, a customer had their bike in the shop, and Scott came up with a design, so obviously a Road Glide. Beautiful, beautiful color.
It is beautiful.
Which is the other parts are on the bike in the shop, and this one's just got to head over there to be installed.
That's a really nice, I like that.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
We just opened up probably about 10 months ago.
Oh man, look at that.
We could do cars in there.
That's so fancy.
Isn't it awesome? We'll take a peek in here.
Okay.
I don't want to get any dust on it. It's my bike, so if I ruin it. Do you mind? Do you mind?
No, don't get too close.
Don't get too close. Yeah. You got to put the stars on it yet.
Yeah.
Looking good, huh?
You got to put stars on it.
Looks really good.
Yeah, isn't that beautiful?
Yeah. And what's this going on?
A lowrider.
Lowrider, okay.
We all have the same bikes, so you got to make things different. You
Yeah.
know? You got to change things up for people.
Oh yeah, you need something to stand out
People,
from the crowd.
people buy what they see.
Yeah.
You can tell me about this all day long, but if you don't show it to me, I'm not interested. Right?
Been painted for a long time? Yeah?
I had Attitude Custom Painting for 22 years. Did many of motorcycles. Did probably 3,000 motorcycles.
Well, it's good to meet you.
Yeah,
Thanks.
Okay, now here is the best part of our dealership.
Okay. I saw that. I was like, I love the patriotism. That's a huge
That's the
flag.
best part of this dealership right there.
That makes so you can't miss it.
The flag is 60 feet by 120 feet.
That's so cool.
Isn't that awesome?
That's a huge flag.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah. Did you get that made? Especially?
We did.
Yeah.
We did.
That's awesome.
Yeah, we love our neighbors to the north, but we're proud of that American flag.
Oh yeah. I hear lots of good stuff about your guys' dealership.
Well, probably the most I'm proud of is what we do in the community.
Yeah.
We give a lot back to the community. The flag being a great gift to the community.
Yeah.
And all the events we're doing constantly to give people things to do, to get out. Let me share another thing with you that we're very proud of here. Bert's Salute to America Foundation Memorial Paver Project. We sell these. These are $500 each, and you can memorialize your loved one.
Aw.
Bert came up with this in conjunction with the flag. Yeah, this is the USA pavers. We take the cost of the paver and to engrave it, and the rest, all of it goes back to a cause. The last charity we supported was Tampa Bay Homeless Outreach, a great organization, local organization that helps homeless veterans. And this man's a vet himself, Thomas Brown. You can look him up, and he literally goes into the woods and will find homeless veterans. He'll get them hooked up to a hotel room, and then he'll get them tied into the VA.
They just live in the woods?
Live in the woods. I'm not making it up. He goes in the woods and finds homeless vets.
That's crazy.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
So you've got these pavers here, and then you got the pavers here. These are $1,200 around the memorial. You usually have a bike in there. A gentleman donated a bike for us for a couple of years. We had it for the full 2 years. We're getting another military bike up there. But to honor the military, I think it's quite impressive.
Yeah.
This was on display. If you take a peek at it,
Oh yeah.
we're going to get another one of this. This is what we had on here. We just removed it. It was beautiful.
That's perfect.
Right?
Yeah. That is a beautiful bike.
You can walk on this. It's not the flag, it's the likeness of the flag.
Okay.
Because a lot of people will give us a hard time for walking on it, but these folks that have the pavers, they want to come out and look at it. So you don't want them, they don't have to stand over there. They want to see their loved ones and so forth.
Yeah.
And this is a beautiful, beautiful memorial.
So big.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah. That is very cool.
Check this out. Look at this thing here. This bench is a tearjerker. My owner is Bert King, and Bert said, hey John, there's a gentleman that has a bench at his house in Tampa, and he'd like to donate it to us so we can display the bench. And I went to this man's house, and I saw this bench, but it wasn't put together. You look at the names on it, this gentleman who has donated it to us knew every one of these people. Every one of them he knew. And if you look back here, I'll tell you a little more about this, off camera.
I can see why Bert's Barracuda is such a popular shop. They care about all the people who keep them in business. They care about their community. They care about their veterans. And that's so rare, guys. And I've just met so many genuine, real, like-minded, caring people. And I can't wait to come back here. And I'm so happy that I'm getting to know people more and more. And I'm really thankful for John and his tour. And this showroom is packed, guys. I need a shirt, I think. Well, I got myself a little Bert's Barracuda t-shirt. It was a pretty good little tour, guys. And I hope you guys liked this video. And like always, if you guys like what you see, or if you just like me, or even if you don't like me, but you like my bikes, then like, comment, subscribe to all those things you guys do. And like always, my lovely YouTube people, I will catch you all on the flip side. Peace.